For the last 6 months, the bears in this forest have been busy feeding up, ready for hibernation. And now, little Alvar is almost unrecognizable. He has doubled in size. And he's still ravenous. 6 months ago, just one wolf was enough to intimidate him. Now, he's afraid of nothing. He has the strength and confidence to send a whole pack scattering. Will feed on this carcass until he's full to bursting. And Alvar heads off to search for a place to sleep through some of the longest nights on Earth. For these 6-month-olds, night is the best time to explore their new world, under the watchful eye of their mother. The youngsters here play more in the hours of darkness because this is when they feel most at ease. But playtime doesn't last long. With dawn soon on its way, it's time for this family to disappear deeper into the safety of the forest.